Have you ever tried French fried chicken in air fryer like this before? Also, please to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.